One thing I want to show you is responsive images. Responsive images. Control K, Control C, H3. Responsive images. So by default, when we use the image element, we define image. So image is not defined correctly as it should be. So if you want your image to be responsive, what you can do is you can use the style property. With width you say 100%, and then height as well 100%. So in this case, image is scaled up to the larger than its original size. So you see, if you increase the size of your web page, the image size increases as well. If you decrease, it also decreases the size. So this is how you can use HTML element for responsive images, because nowadays we have the 60 to 70% traffic comes from mobile phones. So it is a good practice that you should always use this property in the HTML element, in the image element.